Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Peter Elias here. I believe it's absolutely the first time here on this channel. Row your boat. Yeah, so he sits in the boat and sings their very fitting name, suiting name, Row Your Boat. So yes, let's take a look at this song. No need for any cape on this one. Alright, and we have this chords, whatever. It's a long row of chord line there. So let's take a look at all these chords in this song. All right. So yeah, starting with G, you have third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. The next chord here will be the D F, so that's pretty much a D in the bass, but with an F sharp in the F sharp in the bass there, a D chord, but with an F sharp in the bass. So what I do here from the G, you go to the D F. I just released the two fingers I'm using here in the bass for G and recuperate them like this. So that will be second on E, then I mute the next string, which is the A string there. I just lean my finger on top of it so it gets muted, then open D, second G, and then still third B and third E from the G chord. So that's the D F. So from this position to this. All right, then we have the E minor. That's the open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have a standard D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then comes the C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the GB chord. That's what I call it, and that will be second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. Then we have the A minor 7. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And there we have all the chords we need. All right, so before we go into this song here, just gonna mention, I'm gonna give you the different parts of the song and you have to put it together on your own. That's the first thing. And now let's take a look at the strumming. So G will be the first chord, and one strumming around is down, up, down, up. Okay, so and here I prefer to do the down, up on the bass strings. Then the next down, I go down to the top, and the final up, I go back to the bass. So I try to emphasize the second down here, the second to last down in the strumming. So down, up, down, up, down, up. So bass strings, you play the down, up, and the last up. And then the higher notes, you go down to the downs down here. All right, so that gives you the certain rhythm here of perhaps rowing a boat. So anyway, let's take a look at the chorus play. It's pretty much the chords I gave you here in that order, almost. You're gonna play one strumming round per chord, so it's fast chord switches here in this song here. So it goes G, D, F, E minor, D, C, G, B, A minor, and finally D. Okay, so it's G, D, F, E minor, D, then C, G, B, A minor, and D. So pretty fast chord switches there, but I think it's playable anyway, since it's a strumming pattern that goes not only one down fast, it's down, up, down, up. So you have time in between. Go something like this. All right, so there you have the chorus play. Then I think at one point in this song comes a pre-chorus, and it's just one down for the two following chords, C and then D, with pause in between there. I think it's the line where it sings, but I can't stand, and so on. That's where play the pre-chorus C and D. Then you also have a verse play. It starts a bit in the song because this song starts with chorus play, all right? So a bit in this song comes the verse play, and that's what we're gonna take a look at now. So you're gonna play the same strumming pattern here, but you're gonna play G4, then E minor 4, C4, and D4. All right? So 4 times of strumming per chord, G, E minor, C, and D, like this. Alright guys, so there you have all the parts you need for the song. The pre-chorus and verse play is not that often, I think one time all in the song. That means the chorus play is what you need to practice here and put your emphasis on here. The row of G, G, F, E minor, D, C, G, B, A minor, and E. Alright guys, PEDER ELIAS, row your boat. Thank you for watching guys, and play tuned.